A very pleasant morning to all my dear students. Today, 26th of October 2020. As we are discussing about prepositions and its exercise in our book. So, once again we start with the preposition. Preposition is a word which links nouns or pronouns to other words by telling us about the place, time, direction of the nouns, right? There are three kinds of preposition. Number one is preposition of place, number second is preposition of time, and number third is preposition of direction or movement. Okay, so what is preposition of place? The preposition which tell us about the position of a noun, जो हमें नाउन की पोजीशन की कहाँ वो चीज़ या वो इंसान है, वो जगह के बारे में बताया जाता है, उस वर्ड को हम प्रीपोजिशन कहते हैं. ठीक है ना. हमने एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़े थे, यूज ऑफ इन, ऑन, अंडर, इनसाइड, बिटवीन, लाइक दैट. सो दिस टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स दे शोज द प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस. नाउ वी प्रोसीड टू प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम. Preposition of time, the preposition that tell us about the time when the incident happened. कब हुआ था ये, ठीक है ना, कब हुआ था. In the morning, at noon, ठीक है ना, जो भी चीज़ें उसके बारे में हमें बताया जाता है. तो यहाँ पे जो प्रीपोजिशन हम यूज करते हैं किसी स्पेसिफाइड टाइम को शो करने के लिए, that word is called preposition of time. Then the third kind of preposition is preposition of movement or direction. So the preposition that tell us about the movement or its directions are called preposition of directions. And we had already completed some exercise, that is page number 70, 71 and 72 also. Now today we will do page number 73. Page number 73, right? Second question. Page number 73, second question. Read the poem. Poem is given in your book. Underline the prepositions in it. Mark preposition of time, place and movement as T, P, M. जो भी लाइन में preposition, जो सी kind का preposition है, अगर preposition of place को indicate कर रहा है तो हम P लिखेंगे, अगर preposition of time को indicate कर रहा है तो हम T लिखेंगे, और अगर यदि preposition of movement को indicate कर रहा है वो sentence तो हम M लिखेंगे. ओके, चलिए एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 2. Before my wandering eye. This is a poem. The name of the poem is My Twinkling Star. Before my wandering eye. So here before word is preposition. Before word is preposition and it indicates preposition of place. Place को शो कर रहा, हम क्या लिखेंगे? P. Second line, I see a twinkling star up in the night sky. यहाँ up वाला वर्ड क्या है? Preposition. ये किसको इंडिकेट कर रहा है? सेम प्लेस स्काई को बता रहा है, तो यहाँ P आए, राइट. थर्ड लाइन, it flickers between many more stars. Okay, it flickers between वाला वर्ड है, तो again we can say that it is preposition of place. It shows preposition of place, right? And does not fade into the darkness far. Into, the word into is preposition and it shows preposition of movement. Movement बताया जा रहा है. The other stars flicker so bright from the evening into the night. From, the word from and into, ये दोनों ही preposition है. From वाला वर्ड जो है वो टाइम को इंडिकेट कर रहा है, into वाला वर्ड मूवमेंट को इंडिकेट कर रहा है. In this manner we can do all those exercises. Now next line, hundreds of them move across the sky. Across, the word Across shows the movement of preposition of movement. Right. Then the next, some towards dawn, some to me. Here, some towards dawn, some to me. Both towards and to. दो प्रिपोजिशन है और दोनों ही मूवमेंट को शो कर रहे हैं. राइट. I sit beneath a tree and see. Beneath, the word beneath. Beneath, it shows preposition of place. ये place को show कर रहा है. That my star is just a speck in the sky. In the sky, here. Inward. Inward is shows the preposition of place. So in this manner, we can easily identify the preposition. At the same time, we can also identify kinds of preposition. हम इसी तरह से preposition को भी ढूंढ सकते हैं और उसके कौन से different kinds हैं उसके बारे में भी पता कर सकते हैं. Then here, students, in your book, it is there some expression takes fixed preposition. Here, example is there. To be afraid of. ठीक है ना, किसी से डरना. I am not afraid of ghost. मैं ghost से नहीं डरता. To be very angry with वाला word. My mom gets angry with me if my room is dirty. To be bad at वाला word. I am not bad at playing the tabla. To be interested in something. Seema is interested in sports. So students, in this manner we can easily do the preposition. Now we can see page number 74. Page number 74. Use correct prepositions from the box to fill in the blanks. Right? Here some hints is given. Number 1. The teacher was angry dash the boy because he tried to lie. Teacher, boy से गुस्सा से, the word से. Here we can write with. With वाला word यहाँ appropriate है यहाँ पे. ठीक है? Number 2. Irfan has no interest dash video games. In video games. Video games में interest नहीं है इरफान को. In. Number 3. Akram is very good dash science. Akram science में again आया in. In we will put in. Number 4. My sister is angry dash me because I have spilled the milk. My sister is angry with. क्या आएगा? With. Angry with. Now number 5 point. The baby smiled dashed me. The baby किस पर smile की? मुझ पर. At me. At word. Number 6. One should always be kind to others. क्या आएगा? To others. Number 7. Harish is good dash history. Harish history में का word क्या होता है? In. Number 8. My brother is really bad at singing. क्या आएगा? Singing में at singing. Number 9. An old man stopped me and asked dashed an address. An old man stopped me and asked for an address. For वाला word लीजिएगा. For. I am afraid dashed ghost. I am afraid of ghost. Of ghost. So student, in this manner we can easily do it. Okay. So today I have given you in the PDF format of these answers also. At the same time I have given you some extra practice question also. So try to do it those extra type of questions so that you can understand the concept of preposition. आप इसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए preposition की बार बार लगातार, तो आपको easily preposition करना अच्छे से आ जाए. You can able to do. So students, we have seen what is preposition, kinds of prepositions. We have also done your textual exercises. At the same time, I have told you to do some extra type of practice work related to preposition. Okay, so I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you. Do practice at home also. Thank you.